Hi guys, I created an email newsletter which can write in multiple languages, pretty much any language you want, using the n8n AI agents you can see in the screen. Let's take it how it's going to work. I'm going to say, give me a cybersecurity news. This is the triggering point. I have a research agent. It goes and do the research in the perplexity. Then it will use an open router LLM. Multiple LLM can be used. After find and format the related news, it will go and write in the email format. Again, we'll go to the open router, get the help from the LLM. I have given the prompt. I will make one more video about it, how each step I configured it. After that, it will pass it to the HTML format. Again, it will write in the way I want the newsletter format, and it will send it through the email. So we are at the point here, and you can see each step is taken. So it's already executed. Let me bring my email. You can see it came from my email. So this is the email address. I got it. What about the email or the information? So written by Jeffrey. So I want to write the same thing in Tamil language, for an example. So I'll go and say AI news in Tamil. There you go. It will follow the same steps, searching in the perplexity, and we'll use the open router chat model to get the help to format it. We'll put it in the email format and transfer to the HTML format and write it in the newsletter format with the image and the for the readable format. So it's passed successful. Okay, I got the email. Let's see here. Okay, it came in the Tamil language. In fact, you can go to the video link and all. So if I want to have it the same thing in a singular language, I can get it also. Okay, got it in the singular language. Let's see what's coming up. Okay, there you go. It's in singular language. But I can go also, it has a YouTube links, and maybe we can go and say it will take me to a site where it's possible to be seen. I'll make a video on each section, how the prompts are written, how it's all configured, and we will go through that one more time. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy. Thank you. Bye-bye.